What makes a burger delicious? It's what you put with it. It's the salad, it's the dressings, just making it that little bit more special. Season well. There we are. That will take about 7 minutes. Chop your onion finely, big tomato, and then our gherkin, then our iceberg. When I make burgers, I like lots of filling. I want the crunch. I want that explosion of flavours in my mouth. Delicious. There we are. Little barbecue sauce. And then for your blue cheese dressing. Deliciously simple to make. Salad cream or a thin mayonnaise with just all the trim from the blue cheese. Because let's not forget, the hero of the dish is the Stilton. And there you have your beef burger with chunky Stilton creamy dressing. Tomatoes, lettuce, gherkins, chopped onions, lots of watercress. It's delicious.